How to trace an easy and quick mandala flower. No compass use and no protractor. First step, find the center of your A4 paper. Trace a vertical line crossing the center, then trace a horizontal line crossing the center. Mark 4 points 2 cm away from the center, and then mark 4 points 6 cm away from the center. Second step, using a fine drawing pen, a 0.5, draw a point in the center, then start tracing double pointed teardrops from each side, and then trace regular petals from each side. Third step, fill the small petals with teardrops and color the blank spaces in black. Trace a second outline of each small petal. Fourth step, trace a line in the center of each large petal. Fill the petals on one side of the line with curves. Then trace small circles all along the other side of the line. Create a shadow effect in the empty side of each petal by stippling. Fifth step, between the large petals, draw 4 equal small petals and mark a point at the summit of each one. Then trace a second outline and a third outline and start filling the third outline with arc petals. Last, draw 4 equal regular petals and mark a point at their summit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.